96 kz for a diesel. So evidently it's leaking right here. So I was watching on the YouTube channels on this Muslim guy, can speak English, but they had a good video on this O-ring in here that's probably broken, so we'll have to try to replace that. Took apart the air cleaner over here, as you can see here. Took apart the power steering right here, and I'm gonna get this out. I don't know if I have an O-ring for that, but I'll let you guys know. I'm removing this now, fuel line. Then these 4 Allen bolts right here, 2, 3, and 1 back there, and this cover should come off, exposing underneath, and check if the O-ring's bad. But I'm pretty sure it's bad because it's leaking out through here. So I'll let you know. I'll get back to you guys. Oh, and I should be doing a valve cover gasket also. Look, it's leaking all over the place. The other side's worse too. So be doing that today also. We'll see how far we get today. All right, check back with you guys later. You guys got it out. I'm gonna see if this black O-ring right here, take it out and try to change it. All right, get back to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I had a green gasket, but hopefully it'll work. O-ring, I should say, not a gasket. All right, just gonna put it back together and see if it leaks.